Good morning, welcome to day 7, and today I'm not really sure how far we'll go.
Waking up into another day in sunny paradise, but with a forecast of rain for the following days, we tried to plan how far we were going to go. We considered the next hut or campsite further away.
Yeah.
What are we doing today?
Now that I poop, I'm like a new woman. So we're gonna see how far we can go from Collie. There's like a little campsite after Ninglang Pucha, and what's it called again?
Cricket Brook.
Yep, that's the one. So we're gonna try and get there.
But despite our morning planning, we never expected just where we would actually find ourselves at the end of the day. We packed up and had a chat with the lovely couple who run the caravan park.
Michelle went to get some breakfast. Don't think there's many options for us to eat, so we'll just eat some bread. I really want some beans, but shops aren't open because it's Sunday. They don't open till 11. Yeah, but it's should have just bought more beans last night and just eat them this morning, but I'm just hungry, so let's do another take. You got the satay tofu from last night, the cheese from Willie's as well from last night.
I could tell Marty was bonking and hangry,
Yeah.
so I was like, I need to feed this man stuff.
New specialty, cheese with jam. Highly recommend it.
By the way, earlier that Sour Patch Kids and peanut butter thing was a joke. I'll never do that when I'm not starving.
No, I will eat it from now on. Sour Patch Kids and peanut butter. Yeah. We're leaving Collie. The pannier rack came off. I have brought extra screws. People laugh at me for bringing extra screws. Now we need one.
You for bringing extra screws?
No, I didn't mean you.
Oh, okay.
I mean
In general.
in general. Returning from Collie back to the Munda Biddi Trail, there was a shortcut which we decided to take. I don't know how much of the trail it's gonna make it shorter by, maybe 4 Ks, but we didn't want to backtrack the 16 Ks that we just did yesterday, and instead we wanted to explore this new way which joins up with the Munda Biddi in a little township of Allenson. Mario Kart. That's so cool.
Friendly, how's it going? Oh, it's going great. I haven't decided what kind of voice I want for Friendly yet. Wait, I'll do like the comical child voice. Oh my, I love Mickey Mouse.
No.
Oh my mom's bike is about to fall down. Jolly gee willikers, mister. I don't want to get too close. I think there's a little baby lizard next to the big lizard too. Like deeper into the, oh, you can just move.
So we are here where the blue dot is. We're skipping this detour and going straight down to Honeymoon Pool. Yo, what's up everyone? We're at the Honeymoon Pool.
Back at you with... No, I'm just kidding. Look what I did, y'all. I didn't finish this tiny piece of bread this morning from the bakery, so I just stuffed it in the peanut butter jar to accompany some Sour Patch Kids and strawberry jam that's also unfit. So I'm gonna like make a sandwich of Sour Patch Kids, peanut butter, and strawberry jam and see how I go here. Wish me luck.
Don't try this at home, kids. It's dangerous. This is not an official health advice.
We delirious after chugging basically a liter of Gatorade and hungry after what a full morning of
Yeah, we did like 33 k's already. And it's 50 to...
Yeah, so we're gonna smash a lot of food so we're not that hungry while we ride to Donnybrook.
Yeah, 50 k's to Donnybrook. Yeah, it will be a challenge to get there. The roads should be easier after the first climb, or first couple of climbs. No, there is one big climb, and then after that, there's a challenging section ahead of us, climbing out of this valley. There's no mistake about that. It will be our usual 5-6 k's an hour.
Okay.
If that.
That's fine.
But 7 k's from here, the roads should become better, and there's a lot of smooth paved sections towards the end.
Yeah, I'm not a fan of this flavor.
Just took on a couple of kilos of water, made Michelle's bike lighter, because we're really gonna make a move on 220. And yeah, we've got 50 k's to go. And we've got a massive climb ahead of us. Arguably the most challenging part of the day today. We're making a slow progress because there are obstacles like these. These are really taxing. Trying to get the bike over it. I think we're entering the Fergusson Valley, which should be very picturesque and offer some nice views. Oh wow, great view. Sorry?
World's prettiest paddock.
Right, world's prettiest paddock. This is so beautiful! Oh my goodness! I can't even! trail mix for cyclists. Bit of walnuts, bit of peanuts, lots of Skittles,
Gummies.
and lots of gummies.
Our long shadows in the setting sun were the perfect companions for the last 20-kilometer stretch of this flat paved road. It was the perfect ending to an already beautiful day of riding.
Donnybrook, where all our apples come from. This is, we're having a really good holiday. We checked into Donnybrook Motor Lodge Motel. Friendly's already made himself at home on some made cups of tea. I'm just gonna go wash the bikes real quick, then I'll have a shower, and then off to the pub we go. So 7 days in, you start appreciating and you start being grateful for very simple things that we don't think about normally. Having a nice warm shower at the end of the day is one of the best things in life. Putting on clean, dry clothes in the morning, it's one of the best things. And then when you're out, all you're doing is you're focusing on the trail, you're focusing on the lines that you take, and then you're also taking the beauty, the flowers, the smells, the colors, the views when they open up, the rolling hills and the vistas, and it just fills me with so much joy for life, and that's where happiness comes from, right? Good. I think it's well deserved today.
I think so too.
Thank you, my love. Oh yeah, we're gonna get another jug.
I know, right?
Check this out. We're eating this beautiful veggie pasta. Life is great. This
Look at how sweet these motel owners are. They like chatted with us. We saw them at the pub, and they've just been so friendly and gracious and sweet to us all evening. And they're very dear and deserve the best in life. We love them.
If you liked the video today, please give it a like and subscribe and join us for more adventures. Good night.